Hello, dear friends. This is Magdalena Bachu with your daily guidance. And today I would love to share with you 3 aspects which are paramount in you manifesting what you love. And the first aspect is focus. Allow yourself to become clear about what you love to create and let all else fall away. In other words, eliminate all distractions and having crystal clear focus about what you love to create. This also implies that we have healthy boundaries and a good routine about self-care so we can have a solid stream of energy that will support us to carry us through to create that vision, to create that dream into reality. The second aspect is commitment. So allow yourself, once you become clear about that vision, about that dream, to have a personal internal commitment to create it. This will allow us to have a fixed point about that end result, that vision, to see it realized in this world. And also commitment is going to support us to navigate through all what may look like setbacks, to times when it looks like things are not coming along, not coming together, will allow us to go through those times and will allow us to be flexible about our approach, but fixed about our destination. So allow yourself, whenever you are very clear about a vision, a dream that you love to create, to personally, internal commit to it. Commit to the vision and be flexible about the way you get there. And the third point, which is very important in manifesting what you love, is discipline. And discipline is nothing else but doing what needs to be done. Sometimes the word discipline makes us cringe because we feel like our freedom is being affected and we're not free to do what we love. And it's nothing to do about that. You can do things the way they flow for you, the way they are more aligned with you. But what is essential about discipline, to do what needs to be done. So if you receive the first step that you will need to take in creating what you love, allow yourself to take that first step. All other steps are contained in the first step. So discipline, do what needs to be done. So these are the 3 aspects on your journey to manifest what you love to create. The first one is focus. Commit to what you love to create. Single point focus. Eliminate all distraction. Have healthy boundaries and a good self-care to be able to get there. The second point is commitment. Allow yourself to be fixed about that vision, about that destination, and allow yourself to be flexible about the way you get there. And the third point is discipline. Do what needs to be done in a way that it's fun and a way that it works for you. So this is from me today, and if you love to join our morning practices, you are more than welcome to do so. The links are somewhere above or below. Join us. Lots of love. Be well. Bye.